With this, put on your cap, because you're going to wear a cap anyway. So put it on there, boom. Have your ultimate headlamp.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Me and Mr. Baylor out here. We are hiking today, looking for new places we can potentially go camping and just be in the woods. Now, I do want to say that this is a flashlight review video. I want to bring this to your attention. I don't want to be known as a flashlight guy like I've mentioned many times before, but we are out here and you know what? I have got a beautiful flashlight that I want to show you, and the reason why I'm doing it out here is for the simple fact of its color, because if you drop this one, chances are finding it are going to be pretty good. Whereas you get a black one, camouflage one, red, whatever color, camouflage or whatever, you know, it's potentially you may drop it and never find it again. And I cannot stress enough when you're in the woods, camping, hiking, fishing, whatever, to not get a camouflage knife or flashlight or anything that you really need to be able to find. This right here is an amazing light. Now obviously it's light out here. I cannot show you what it's going to look like in the dark, but I will bring you back outside like I always do and show you guys. I just want to say that this is light enough to put on your hat and use it all jerky and whatever, no problem. So having said that, guys, what a beautiful work light. It's not coming off. I mean, my hat will come off before the light will come off, as you can see. I mean, it's not coming off. So highly recommend this light. I cannot wait to show you guys this at nighttime. Now, you know, you can see the size of it. It's not gonna be like, oh my gosh, you're shining, you know, thousands of yards. No, this is a up close and personal light. I'm gonna end this until tonight. I'm gonna bring you back, probably not right here, but I will bring you outside and show you guys how good this light is. And I'll show you, I have to go in the attic tonight around 6 at my mother-in-law's. So I'll take it up there and I'll show you guys what it looks like in an attic, so you guys can get a very good visual when you're in an attic and your hands are, you know, you want to be hands-free and you don't have a headlamp. Here's your light. All right, I'll see you back tonight, guys.
If you guys have ever been on my channel, you guys will know that I do this testing on my street in the dark. The house is about, I'm gonna say about 55, 60 yards from where I'm at right now. You guys can check back on my old videos and see. We will put it on low first to show you. Pretty impressive. We'll do it on high now. It's pretty nuts to have this much light out of a teeny weeny flashlight. So low, high. Pretty impressive. We are in the attic. Gotta crawl back there and see what's going on. But first, we'll show you the light. See, it's completely pitch dark in here. And this, my friends, is low. So it's pretty bright. Now we'll go to high. I mean, whew, bro, the amount of light this thing shows is just crazy, crazy bright. So, I mean, you can see anywhere you need to see. Here's low. All right, all the way over there. That's what I gotta go fix. See these lines here? They're apparently clogged up or something. Here, I'll show you in the brightness. Yeah, they go all the way that way. You see they're going out the house. I gotta go over there and fix them. But it's really bright, crazy bright, guys. All right, so we're back home and I wanna talk to you about this light. Now, first thing I wanna do is I wanna show you the battery and then we'll go over all the specs. So one thing I really think is pretty phenomenal about this battery in particular is if you guys don't know, right, what type of charger it takes, right there it says Type C. Now you're saying, well, duh, it comes with the battery cable, right? Yes, it does. It does come with the charging cable. I said battery cable, but you know, it does come with a charging cable. But I didn't even use this one because I've got so many of these from all the other flashlight videos, plus my cell phone. But this thing is pretty amazing. It is a quick charge, believe me. So the battery is a 920 milliamp battery, so it's fairly small, but still very, very powerful. So you guys saw the testing up in the attic, and then you saw outside. I mean, what do you think about it? You see how small it is? So there's my finger. It's just about as long as my index finger, as you can see. So it's not too bad. Let's talk about the specs. Of course, you know, you get this huge pamphlet in a small box. It does come in a pretty small box, so we're going to open them up. We got to find the English version of it, which is never the side I ever turn it to. You'd think I would mark it, right? But, all right, let's talk about it. The output is 659 lumens. Now that's pretty impressive for this little light, right? That goes for 170 seconds and then drops to 276 lumens for 100 minutes. Wow. All right, low is 57. That is with the battery that it comes with, okay? Now, if you put a AA battery in here, which will work, all right, the high is 235 lumens for 75 minutes, and low is 24 lumens for 14 hours. So, you can see right away that you get a better, higher lumen with the battery that it comes with. Now, you know, even when this thing drops down from turbo, basically, to what they call on a high, but it's really, you know, turbo, in my opinion, it's still better with the rechargeable battery versus the AA. But it's always good, guys, to bring a battery with you just in case, even if you have an extra one of these, which I have a couple extra ones of these already. So the Saber, guys, is really, really, really nice. All right, it says 141 meters max, which, you know, that's pushing it with this little light here. All right, it's a 1.5 meter impact resistance. The intensity is 5,000 CD and waterproof to IPX8 down to 2 meters. So what do I think about this light? Well, I've showed you guys what I thought. I think that the ability to put it on your cap is really nice. All right, so for my opinion, the light itself is very high quality. Now, you know, I carry a bigger light with me, but this is pretty nice. Now, you know, I'm gonna just put this out here because I think it needs to be said. If you're a sportsman, fisherman, I don't know about fishermen. Let's leave the fishermen out of this, and I'll tell you why here in a second. But definitely a sportsman, like a hunter, for instance, or somebody outdoors. If you're field dressing your game, you know, to me, I have wore headlamps and you know, right around here where, you know, it's on your head. I don't know. It's after a while, it's very abrasive, I guess. With this, put it on your cap, because you're gonna wear a cap anyway. So put it on there, boom. You know, you have your ultimate headlamp. Now, I say fisherman because if you, let's just say you're reeling a fish in, you know, and you're in the dark, and you know, let's say your line breaks and you hit your cap, your light goes in the water, well, then you're SOL then, right? So that's my only issue with being a fisherman. Now, if you're like, you know, like a cat fisherman, you're on the bank, that might be one thing. But anyway, regardless, very high quality light. You know, the Saber is a very good light. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can check this out. If you guys want to buy it or even look at it, feel free to. If you decide to buy through my link, it will help my channel grow. And all the money always goes right back to these videos, these high quality videos. So if you're thinking this may be not the light, I'm going to link a video right here to another ThruNite flashlight that you may think is way better than this. I mean, time will tell, right? Click on that video and I will see you there. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. God bless, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.